Hey Southwest Florida, Braden Milner back again with your must-watch real estate housing market update. Buckle up, we've got some interesting market insights for you. Firstly, the interest rates continue to creep up. Now they're at 7.61% compared to last week's 7.51%. However, the market seems to be absorbing these changes pretty well, so let's dive into what that means for you. New listings have increased to 431 this week, up from the 397 last week. More inventory on the market usually gives buyers more options and could indicate the sellers are feeling confident about listing. Sold properties have taken a substantial jump, up from 236 last week to a healthy 323 this week. It looks like buyers are actively making moves despite the increasing interest rates. Pending properties are holding steady, shifting only slightly from 289 last week to 282 this week. This suggests stable buyer demand, not too shaken by the incremental interest rate hikes. Expired listings have also surged to 115 from 34 last week. However, this could very well be a weekly trend, often seen at the beginning or the end of the month as listing agreements come to an end. Finally, let's talk about the median sales price. We're looking at $370,000, which is a drop from last week's $384,000. While prices are softening up a bit, it's worth noting that the market overall seems stable in terms of supply and demand, even with the incremental interest rate hikes. So what's the takeaway? The Southwest Florida real estate market is showing resilience and stability, even in the face of rising interest rates. Both buyers and sellers have reasons to be optimistic. If you or anyone you know are looking to buy or sell in the Southwest Florida real estate market, reach out to me for any of your real estate needs. You can call or text me at 239-634-8639 or email me at contact@bradenmilner.com. I can't wait to see what next week holds. So in the meantime, stay tuned and follow the channel for daily videos just like this. I'll see you all soon.